Hi everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure VLANs on a Cisco Catalyst switch. Let's get into it. In this example, we're going to be configuring three VLANs: VLAN 10 for engineering, VLAN 20 for sales, and VLAN 30 for finance. And we have two computers, and each one of the VLANs will be configuring on the switch. We also have the IP addresses we'll be using for each one of the computers. We'll start by reviewing the current VLANs configured on the switch. With the show VLAN brief command, we can see that we only have one VLAN configured, and that's VLAN 1, which is the default VLAN. And all ports by default are assigned to this VLAN. After reviewing the current configuration, we can move on to the next step and begin the configuration in creating our three different VLANs. We'll want to switch over to the configuration mode, and we'll use the command VLAN followed by the VLAN ID. From the VLAN configuration mode, we can name our VLANs. VLAN 20 and name it sales. And VLAN 30 and name it finance. And we have our three new VLANs here, 10, 20, and 30 for engineering, sales, and finance. We can also see that there's no ports assigned to these three VLANs, so let's configure that. Next, we'll move computers PC1 and PC2 to VLAN 10 for engineering. And we'll move PC1 from VLAN 1 to VLAN 10. Okay, and now ports E00 and E01 are on VLAN 10 for our two computers here. Okay, now we'll do the same for VLAN 20 for sales. And in this example, I'll use the range command to configure both ports E1-0 and E1-1. Okay, next we'll configure VLAN 30 for finance and move PC1 and PC2. And once again, using the show VLAN brief command, we can confirm that the ports have been moved to the appropriate VLANs. We can also use the command show interface status to review the VLAN assigned to each port. And now for a quick connectivity test, we can use our computer engineering PC1 and ping PC2. And as you can see, we can ping 192.168.1.20, which is PC2. And if we ping sales PC1, the ping should fail. And that's been it for this quick VLAN tutorial. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.